Natrol is a brand that's become really popular for people looking to improve their sleep and overall wellness naturally. They offer a variety of supplements, but their melatonin gummies and magnesium glycinate are some of the most talked about. The melatonin gummies usually come in 5 or 10 milligram doses and cost around $15 to $20 for a 90-count bottle. They're designed to help you fall asleep faster and enjoy a more restful night, all without causing grogginess the next morning, since they're completely drug-free and non-habit forming. The benefits Natrol claims are pretty straightforward. Their melatonin gummies help regulate your sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to fall asleep, stay asleep, and even adjust after things like jet lag. Their magnesium glycinate, on the other hand, is focused on overall relaxation. It supports muscle health, helps reduce cramps, and even contributes to heart health. This one typically costs around $20 to $25 for a 240 milligram bottle. Essentially, Natrol positions itself as a brand that can make your nights calmer and your body more relaxed without relying on harsh chemicals. Looking at what's inside, the melatonin gummies obviously contain melatonin, the hormone that signals your body that it's time to sleep. It's a naturally occurring hormone, and supplementing it can be very effective if your internal clock is off. The magnesium glycinate contains magnesium, which is involved in hundreds of processes in the body, from muscle contraction to nervous system regulation. It's a highly absorbable form, meaning your body can actually use it efficiently, and it can make a noticeable difference in relaxation and sleep quality. Users generally seem happy with Natrol. Many say the melatonin gummies help them fall asleep faster and wake up feeling more refreshed. Some mention that it was particularly helpful when traveling or dealing with an irregular sleep schedule. People who take the magnesium report fewer nighttime cramps, calmer muscles, and an overall feeling of relaxation. Of course, not every experience is perfect. A few users have noted a mild aftertaste with the gummies, and occasionally someone might feel a little drowsy the next day. But these issues are usually minor and don't seem to outweigh the benefits for most people. So, is Natrol worth it? If you're someone who struggles to fall asleep or just wants a little extra support for relaxation, Natrol's definitely worth trying. The ingredients are safe, backed by science, and the products are generally well-reviewed. It won't magically fix every sleep problem, but for many people, it's a simple, reliable, and drug-free way to help improve sleep quality and overall wellness.